All right. So this seems like this stream is just going to be just a stream for announcements. Let me see. So this stream is really intended for my calculus for business students. Today is Wednesday. I'm under the impression that the last day of class is next Wednesday. So we only have 3 meetings remaining. We have today, we have Monday, and we have Wednesday, right? My original intent, I know on Monday, I met, but we didn't really hold a session. I just was like, I didn't get to my checkpoint in time, and nobody really had any questions. But so my original intent was to go through a chapter a day, like chapter 1 on Monday, chapter 2 today, 3 on next Monday, and 4 on next Wednesday. But if nobody's here, then I'm just going to take it, use this to make an announcement, and then I'm just going to go on about my way. All right. So like I said, today is Wednesday. I'm under the impression that the last day of class is next Wednesday, right? So we have 3 sessions remaining. If there's no one here or if there aren't any questions, then I'm just going to go on. Um, I just want to remind, but if you are listening to this, I do want to remind you that there's a hard deadline for all assignments on Pearson, which is like May 1st at 11:59 p.m., which is a Sunday night going into Monday morning. So you can still access all the assignments, anything that's on Pearson, you can still access it. But it's all going to lock out on that May 1st at 11:59 p.m. And then 1 minute later, the final exam will become available, and that'll be available for about 5 days until Friday. Like I think I said it for like to be due. This is another hard deadline only for the final. I think it's that Friday at 11:59 p.m. I'm gonna calculate grades. I don't give grades. All I do is just kind of, I just document what you guys have been doing. That's it. So like I just pull whatever grades that are on Pearson, and I scale it based on the grading rationale on the syllabus. Matter of fact, let me pull that up really quickly to just see those numbers because it is a little bit different for you all than like my college algebra students. Let's see, calculus, right? Let's see. Okay, so we've had our 2 exams. So each exam is 30%, right? So the 2 exams together make up 60% of your grade. The homework is 7.5% of your grade, and the quizzes are 7.5%. And then the final exam is 20% of your grade. So 60, 85%. So basically, it seems like 85% of your overall grade comes from exams, 30% from exam 1, 30% from exam 2, and 25% from the final. So I say that to say, if you're going back and trying to like get your grades in order, you want to prioritize your exams, right? So when I go to calculate your final grade, all I'm going to do, I'm going to say whatever your highest exam 1 score is times 0.3 plus your exam 2 score times 0.3 plus your homework average times 0.075 plus your quiz average times 0.075 plus your final exam score times 0.25. And that's how I'm going to calculate your final grade, right? So knowing that piece of information, you can take you can take your scores as they are and then play with different scores on the final. You put those numbers into the formula and see, okay, well, what do I need to score on the final in order to get whatever grade I want, right? Let me see, final. Also, hopefully you've been like taking notes, like you have a homework notebook or some kind of either something printed out or a digital notebook where you have a catalog of your work, right? Because once we hit that Monday and everything locks out, you're not going to be able to access old assignments on Pearson. But if you have a digital copy, or if you've been making a notebook all this while, then it's at your disposal. I'm available for support, but I can't give answers when there aren't questions being asked. Otherwise, I'm just talking out the side of my neck. You know how that goes. So I'm just here for support. I'll probably hang on the Zoom for a little bit and then just go on about my day. I'm trying to think of anything else that's important. I can't really think of anything else, guys. Okay. I'll check Zoom one more time. Yeah, last day of class is a week from today, and then the finals start the following week, right? I'll check Zoom one more time for attendance. Okay, I think we're good there. And I can't really think of anything else. So on that note, I think hmm. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the session here. So from one beautiful mind to another, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Okay, take care. Peace. Hey Siri, play.
But look at her. So, yes. So decided. But soon she will be trapped forever in a very different body. Every night when she sleeps, Mesdames and Messieurs, she is forced to become. She is forced to become. She is forced to become. Over time, she will not be able to transform back. She will be forever trapped in the body of a snake.